Hey guys, welcome to week 7. This is your Watch Me First for week 7 and it is going to be posted right in the beginning over here. This week is about application. So this week is all about early number sense. Thinking about early number sense developing activities with the students. Your chapter 7 of your textbook, the Wonderworld book, is a really good resource. I have also uploaded a number of links to talk about number sense in elementary grades, thinking about number talk. Two of your very important readings for this week are the Land book, chapter 1 and chapter 2. I'm going to open it up and show it to you. So this is all about transforming task with number choices. That's a very important thing because the number choices that you provide to students projects them or focuses them in a direction, has them apply their own understanding. So you have to be really careful as a teacher about what number choices do you select. This is all that is also going to be gauged by your assignment for this week. So this is your assignment 3. For your assignment 3, you are actually going to create a task or a problem that students have to solve. It will be a real world problem and you will have multiple number choices, at least more than 3. 4 to 5 are the best. I'm going to show you some examples in just a second, and then you are going to rationalize your number choices as to why did you choose them. What does each number choice given to the student, how does it help them build understanding? Okay, so let's look at an example and then we will come back to the assignment. So when you go to chapter 1, here is a number choice. This is the problem task because it's talking about pennies and money, which is a real world example. And then you have different number choices. And then you rationalize each number choices as to why you are choosing this number choice. This rationalizes each number choice. Another example is here. Sam had this many fish balls and he had this many fish in each bowl. How many fish did he have? So there are lots of number choices here. And then they rationalize why do you have. Other great examples are also in your chapter 2. So if you look at chapter 2, here is your chapter 2. So you say Alice has read this many books. Her goal is to read these many books. How many books does she need to reach? This is what it is. Really great examples are actually in the scenarios. Let me go back to those scenarios. Look here. This is a problem and then number choice rationale. I selected these as because it gave them the opportunity to count on the numbers larger than 10. I wanted to see if the children could make a connection between solving 8 and 10 and solving 18 and 20, because I can write 18 as 10 plus 8, or I could also solve it as 2 less than 20. So think about those ideas that you read in your book with anchor numbers, less than, greater than, and all of those things to do your assignment for this week. So once again, here is the assignment. So you're going to have this template. You're going to put your problem. You're going to put multiple number choices and then the rationale for the number choices. And then here is your rubric. On the rubric, you have hints such as why is this number choice used? How is it used to build understanding? How does it teacher use it? Then everything is addressed, articulated. The problem task is creative. So you cannot use the same problem, but you can use a similar problem. And you have to decide your own number choices as to how that is going to help. Concepts and terms. Multiple number choice, the problem task is real world, specific examples. Yes, scaffolding is a great word. Yes, differentiation is a great word. However, how are you differentiating? How is the problem getting scaffolded? What knowledge are you applying? So all of these things you want to be specific about. Take a number choice and specific. Yes, it is going to build students' understanding. How is it going to build student understanding? What do you think the student will do with this number choice? How is that helping? So that are very important aspects to think about. The assignment is for 16 points, and this is your rubric that is going to be used to grade it. Once again, you're going to choose a task. This is going to need some thinking, some thought as to what is your task and what are your number choices. I've given you some hints about where these examples are there from those two chapters. However, I strongly recommend that you read the full chapter so that you can understand the whole context of it. They are very brief readings. Rationalize your number choice. Do it for each number choice separately. Talk about how it builds student understanding. What would you think the student would do? Why did you as a teacher choose it? And those are all the things that come in reflects a thorough understanding of relevant knowledge, content, knowledge, and skills. All right. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Okay. I look forward to reading your task and your rationalizations.